So I'm about to pack up. Hey, it's Eric again.
I've got two.
Frank's just had a double hit. 2 great fish. Look at that.
What do you reckon? Apart from the fact it's doing
6.5.
Yeah. Want the other one?
Yep. I think that's bigger.
I think it is bigger.
Yeah, I think that's 7.5. How good's that?
Not bad.
Morning, Doug.
Oh, morning, Frank. What are you doing here?
Yeah, what a surprise, eh?
Yeah, you keep following me.
Yeah, well, I was sitting next to you, but hey.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought he meant that you hadn't caught fish of the day lately, but I seem to remember you caught that goldfish last time.
Yeah.
Which fish of the day.
Yeah.
So actually, I'm rooting for you today, Frank. I want you.
That has a different meaning here, Doug. You have to be careful when you say that.
I'm British.
I know. That's
That
why you
means
said
I'm
it.
Going for you to
Yeah.
get fish of the day.
Barracking for.
Barracking, that's it.
Yeah.
Barracking.
Supporting.
Yes. So I hope you get fish of the day, Frank. If you don't, hard luck.
Yeah, hard luck because you'll get it.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
correct.
But we don't take that too seriously, do we?
No.
No, we don't. So it's not a big competition every time we come out, folks. We just like to, you know, slap the other one in the face with a fish tail and say, look at my big fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that hasn't been happening.
No. What does rooted mean then?
Well,
Can
I
you
think
even-
it's
can
a
you
sort of slang for reproduction.
Ah. Okay,
Like
well, we
human
don't want any of
reproduction.
that, do we?
Well, there certainly won't be any of that, I'll tell you right now.
Well, you've had one nice one.
Well,
I
I've
haven't
had-
even had a bite.
I've
yet.
had one fish, so at this point in time, I'm claiming FOD because it's the only fish.
Yeah.
I should have
Be
bought
me
a hot.
catching a fish, Frank. Don't
I've
worry
got
about
hot
that.
cross buns at home. I didn't even think about it.
No. Well,
Ah.
there you go.
Bugger.
Yeah, you need some supervision at times, don't you?
I do. Yeah, yeah. That's what my wife tells me all the time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mind you, some of the stories you tell me on the way down here, Doug, I'm not the only one who needs supervising.
Yes.
This will probably take about 10 minutes. I'll come back.
I did all right. Yeah, I had about 12 fish.
Yep.
Nothing massive, but it's very enjoyable.
Yes. Well, I'm going to spoil that for you today.
Oh yeah? Well,
Just by being here, probably.
you look like, on your face, like you've had some stuff done. You haven't been having cosmetic surgery, have you? Hey?
Now, should let the viewers know that Doug's well aware of what of all of this. I had a couple of skin cancers burned off yesterday, Doug. Well, they weren't skin cancers; they were just skin blemishes.
Ah,
So I've got a few scabby spots on the face.
I'm well aware, am I?
Well, you're well aware because I actually told you yesterday.
You think I'm
Just a reminder. I know you tend to lose the plot a bit at your age.
Do you think I am taking advantage of the situation a bit?
Oh, 100%. But
Well,
you know, I wouldn't
just
expect
thought-
anything else.
You know, like, if I was going to get Botox and that done, I'd go off to a skin cancer specialist.
Oh,
and
would
say-
you?
Yeah, and I'd go, yeah, I'd pretend to go off there and then have me Botox and that.
Oh,
All
okay.
shiny,
No, you're totally on the wrong track here, Doug.
and all your bags
No,
under
no,
your
no.
eyes are gone, and your forehead's got no them things.
It has. They're under the hat band.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So that's all bullshit then.
It's totally bullshit, and you know it.
I apologise.
It's your usual morning stitch up.
I apologise.
Let's get on with the fishing.
Okay.
So, Doug, you've dragged me out of bed, away from Teddy and the Cocoa Pops and warm milk. We've driven for 4 hours, we've walked for 4 hours, and we've finally come to this, what I have to say is a very nice looking pool, in which you claim you caught a lot of carp.
Did.
How long ago was that?
25 years ago, Frank.
Oh, so well before I was born.
Yeah, when I used to come here, I was like 45 or something like that.
Just a pup.
Yeah, and it was a lot harder today, Frank.
Right, so we walked another 3 hours, and Doug says this is the spot. So we're going to try a little bit of worm and see what lives under this rock shelf. Spot number 3. Where's the fish,
Frank,
Doug?
I'll look through the... How are you?
Not bad.
Actually seeing you here.
Where's the fish?
I
know. In the water.
This pool, Frank, is about 15 foot deep. And I used to catch loads of fish here.
Yeah.
But it ain't happening, is it?
It's not. So we're going to give it about another 10 minutes and that'll be it.
Yeah.
But it's been a good explore. You've got to get out and check places out. And it certainly is a lovely day and very scenic.
I'm going back under my camouflage now, Frank.
Bye, Doug.
Bye.
Okay, so what's this, Doug?
This is tip of the week,
Tip
Frank.
of the week?
Yeah.
We haven't had a tip of the week for a couple of weeks. So what are you doing?
Well, a lot of people just like stick a worm on. What have you done today? Just stuck
a worm on.
Yeah, you stuck a worm.
Well, it worked.
Yeah, that's right. You had 3 fish. It's a little sanger. And that's what I caught that on. Last week when you was away, frivolously up at Sharinga, I caught a 10.5 pound carp on that. It was a cracking bite.
Well, would have, could have, should have, didn't.
Alright.
10:30, Doug, where's the fish?
Frank, you got a wristwatch, I've got a wristwatch. Has the average carp got a wristwatch?
Probably not.
They would be,
But they just go like this.
do they?
10:30.
That's wind direction.
Oh, okay.
I tend to go like this.
No, Doug, this is a family show.
Oh, sorry about that.
I always give Doug grief about this 10:30 theory, but unfortunately it's too often been proved to be right.
Yeah.
Well, Doug, you got one at just after 11 o'clock.
I did.
And other than that, there was one missed bite with lots of swearing.
2 missed bites actually.
Yeah, but the second one particularly, lots of swearing.
Oh, I was sorry about that.
Yeah, luckily he didn't capture it. It probably was successful.
Yeah. I'm happy with that, Frank.
Yeah.
That I've got less expectations than you.
Well, I've just come back from a week's fishing for salmon, Doug. My expectations are probably quite a bit higher.
Yeah. Will you miss me, Frank? Truth. Okay, well, let's rephrase that. Will I miss you?
Yeah, no.
Absolutely. I shall probably have a tear.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, believe that, you believe anything. So here we are, Doug. 5 weeks since we went fishing together.
Yeah.
And you had a good holiday?
Yeah, I did. I missed you.
Did you?
Yeah,
oh, how cute.
Not a lot, but I did. I missed you. I missed going out with you. I missed taking the Mickey and all that. Yeah, I missed you. We did well today. I was very pleased. You know, for our first session back together. I know you missed me, Frank. You haven't said. No, I haven't, Doug. I've said that I missed you, but you haven't said you missed me. You have to read something into that. What? That I haven't said anything. No, we were both having nice holidays. Yeah. Yes. Oh, was that something? No, it was a fly. Oh, okay. I'll give you these feathers, Doug. I just found. Okay. Three floats by tomorrow, please. Okay. What colours? I'll let you choose. They're perfect, actually. Perfect. Look at them. I don't really need to make you to make me a float, but I'm sure that you will keep them for a rainy day. Rainy day. That's it. Victim number 2, or 2.5, because you got that little one at the start. You can't count that as a half, Frank. Oh, I can. That's not much more than a half, to be honest. So what happened to the forceps, Doug? I see you got a peg on there now. Well, I know you want to embarrass me, Frank, but I reckon my bag, which is wherever it is here, I think I had it on there, I had it over my back, I walked around there and it fell off. And so my mate, I don't know who that is, but my mate found it, and it is one of mine, it is my one. Yeah, right. Because I only use that colour because it matches my eyes. Okay. Yeah. So he found it, so I'm very grateful. Well, there you go. Yeah. Maybe a donut.
would see you right.
Haven't got any with me. Too hot. Chocolate and milk.
Yeah. Well, Doug, it's going to be a short video today.
Oh well, yeah, well, at least we're out here, Frank.
Indeed.
Yeah, I've had to put up your moaning for 3.5 hours.
Well, you've had a month off.
Yeah, I suppose, yeah, I was sort of got over it a bit and now I'm, yeah. Anyway.
Back in the middle of it.
Yeah, can I just say something to one of our listeners?
Okay, now let me guess who it is.
Go on, you go.
Not the guy who does concreting, is it?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Yeah, because I was really upset.
Were you?
When he said about putting 2 spoonfuls of concrete in the cup of tea. Because I'm not quite sure what
you need to harden up, Doug.
I'm not sure what he meant, actually.
And that's exactly what he meant.
He sort of like started typing out and going, what a good bloke is. You know, Doug is, I'd go fishing with him, all that. Oh, he's just mentioned my name. I'll put 2 spoonfuls of concrete.
You've mixed up 2 comments, Doug. He didn't say that in the same comment.
Didn't he?
No. Are you okay, or is the senility really kicking in now?
Yeah, it's kicked in, Frank. Actually, kicked me in there.
It was 2 different comments. I think it might even have been 2 different videos. But never mind, never mind. I mean, so you'd like to say that to Glenn, would you?
Yeah, and if I'm not your favourite anymore, I don't care.
Okay.
Right.
I'm sure he will come back with an appropriate response. That's Doug's last cast.
Was you filming that?
Of course I was, Doug. You never know when the camera's on.
I don't know. I don't normally talk to my float like that.
Yeah, well, you can talk to it, but I don't know if it's going to make any difference. Well, Doug, nice to be able to get out at least once this week, given that we've got either 3 or 4 days of 40 degrees coming up.
Yeah, it's not too bad today. It's only going to be about 32, Frank.
Yes, but we've got a nice shady spot.
We have.
Yeah, so...
You've got a shady spot on top of your head, haven't you?
It's called a hat, Doug.
Now, just explain to our beloved watchers...
Viewers, Doug, viewers.
Viewers? Okay, viewers. Where you've just been.
In bed?
No, you came here, you sat there and you got all grumpy and you went off again. Where'd you go?
Oh, I'm not talking about that.
Yeah, I'll tell them then.
That's right, I'll edit it out.
Got his bread.
I'll edit it out.
Don't turn it off, don't turn it off. Frank forgot his... There's worse to come yet anyway. Frank forgot his bed, had to go home and get his bread. I offered him some of mine, but mine wasn't good enough because it was from Aldi.
Ah.
I had a worse experience.
I don't actually think that brands were mentioned.
No, but...
Yeah.
I had a bit of a senior moment this morning. I got all ready, got everything, and I really had to remember my water because I always forget my water. Walked to the front door and put my pants on.
Yes. Well, that'll probably get you arrested.
These ones.
Mm.
Yes, but
oh, you couldn't see them, they're camo.
Yeah, that's right. No, that's right. So I had to go back, and I thought, oh my God, this is getting bad.
Yeah. Oh well.